Hey there. I'm going to discuss with you today 6 things happening in Nashville, Tennessee next Tuesday on the 27th of September. Actually, 7 things. One will be a bonus. And so let's get started. And the first thing is called the Recess Cart. And this is from 11 a.m. until 6 p.m. at the Church Street Park in Nashville. It's right off of Church Street, right across from the library. And basically, it's a place where you can go in the middle of the day and play board games or play some yard games, or get some art supplies and do some art projects. It's something for this will be fun and kind of make you kind of feel laid back and all that. Anyway, that's at the Church Street Park. And the next thing I'm going to talk to you about is live music at Ergo, and this is from 5:30 until 8:30 p.m. and you can enjoy live original music. And this is at Ergo. It's a new restaurant slash bar at the Union Station. The next one I want to talk to you about is this is back on at the Church Street Park again, and this is from 6 p.m. until 7 p.m. and this is for Yoga with Lauren Gomance, and she is a licensed yoga instructor. It's free, and there's parking at the library. It costs like $6 for an hour, and great place to go work out. The next one I want to talk to you about is the Nash News. This is from 7 p.m. until 10 p.m. at the Food Assembly Hall, and you have rising country musicians, and they'll be telling the stories behind some of their hit songs, and seating will go fast, so make sure you get there quickly. The next one I want to talk to you about, it's a movie. Actually, no, it's not a movie, it's a musical based on a movie. It's Pretty Woman the Musical, and this is at TPAC, and it's at 7:30 at night. It's supposed to be very entertaining, and because it's led by 2-time Tony Award-winning director and choreographer Jerry Mitchell. Okay, and the next one I want to share with you is from part of the Sunset movie series, and the movie that they're going to show next Tuesday is How to Lose a Guy in 10 Days. It's from 7:30 to 9 p.m. at the Assembly Food Hall. This is free, but you can pay a $40 fee and pick up a special dinner and drinks package that goes along with the movie. And the next one I want to tell you about, this is actually the bonus, and this is the Collective Imagination Art Right Now exhibit at Chauvet Arts on Representative John Lewis Way Avenue, and this is all day long, and this is actually playing for until the 31st of October. Okay, so that's pretty much it. That's what's happening next Tuesday, and so if you need something to do and you're in Nashville, there's a lot more than that, but those are the ones being highlighted by the city. And you have a great day, and you'll hear from me soon.